ઘરમાં પ્રાતઃકાલીન વાતચીત.
A morning conversation. Will you not go to office today?
Yes, I'll go. What's the time?
Get up then. It's 7:30.
Oh no, it's so early.
Hurry up. Otherwise, you will be late.
Right. Who is in the bathroom?
Rekha, she is taking a bath.
Rekha, hurry up. I'm getting late.
Just coming, Papa.
Darling, give me warm water. I will shave in the meanwhile.
Water and shaving box are on table. You can go into the bathroom, Papa.
Where's my towel and underwear?
All are in the bathroom. Mama, where is my uniform? On your bed, and your shoes are under the table.
Darling, I can't find my shoes.
Rekha, hurry up. Your bus must be coming any moment. I'm ready, Mama. Where is my lunchbox? In your bag. Come here and drink the milk. My bus is coming. Bye, Mama. Goodbye, Rekha.
Please, give me a clean hanky. I'm getting late.
I'm bringing your watch and hanky. Please hurry up.
Thank you, darling. I have to rush now. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.